This is Trisha Talks Trailers with Optimum RV in Robstown, Texas, located on Highway 77. Stop by and see us. Ask for Trisha. I'll find you the right trailer at the right price. At Optimum RV, we love to put dreams in driveways. Let's look at this 2024 Black Label by Forest River. It is a 14cc BL. Got a power tongue jack. Let's look at the weight here. 3471 in weight and only 19 feet 3 inches in length, and that's tip to tip. Hot water heater is a gas on-demand tankless hot water heater. Has a outside shower. Mud Legend 15-inch off-road tires. Dump station's very easy to get to. It is a really cool look. It's got the black frameless windows. This one is equipped with a 100-watt solar panel to keep that 12-volt battery charged. And up front here, on the side here, we have a power awning with LED lights, outside speakers, and cable prepped. And then this little baggage door for extra storage. They are magnetic as well. That's underneath the front bed. Let's take a look at the inside. It is a rear access. It does have the backup camera installed, and it's prepped for a back ladder. Let's step inside. On the left here is the shower all by itself with a little sink. Nice shower head. Max Air fan, LED light. It's a good size. To the right, we have the toilet all by itself. And it also has another Max Air fan and LED light in here. And then we have a little dinette that we'll make into a bed and some upper storage. Got your stereo with surround sound and subwoofer. This is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Very nice size, and that's 12 volt. 2 burner gas with a little fan and light. Microwave, some more upper cabinets. The countertops are solid surface. And then in the very back here, we have a queen bed with some more cabinets. And phone chargers throughout and plug-ins and nice little reading lights. Another little phone charger and outlet. You can hang a TV right here. Perfect little trailer, especially to take off-road. Stop by and see us, and I'll love to tour it with you. Have a great day.